back to my channel. It's your girl Stacey Renee. You already know, before we get into this review, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, today's review is on another Amazon company, and the name of this company, it just says AS. I'll link all the information down below, but they sent over a Brazilian straight human hair wig. It's a 13x1 T-part lace frontal wig, and this is the 12-inch. So a little bit about this wig: is super easy to style, very beginner friendly. I did not glue this one down. I was going to, but since it's a T-part, and with T-part you only have about an inch of space around the edges, I just went ahead and went without the glue today. I used one of my wig grips just to kind of keep it in place, and that is it. So this was super easy, honey, super easy. I just cut the lace off, you know, put a little bit of powder where the lace is showing, and that is about it. I did not co-wash her because I am just running out of time for today. So yeah, I just ran the flat iron through her, put a little bit of concealer in the part, and that is about it. Used a little bit of my wax stick on the top of it just to lay some of the flyaways down, and that is all that I did. So this will probably be a very short video because, like I said, it was super easy to style, super easy to install, just easy, period. I didn't get much shedding. I did get a couple of longer hairs when I flat ironed her. I did get a couple of longer hairs towards the front, and the only thing I did was just take my shears and just cut those off, just, you know, even with the bob. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this review. Hey guys, happy new year. So let's start this review off. Like I said, all the information will be posted down below. Again, I received this 12-inch bob wig. It is a 13x4x1 T-part lace frontal wig. It does come with baby hairs. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps. They didn't list the density online, but it's about 120% density. It's a bit thicker in the back than it is on the sides, and for me, that was okay, but I would have preferred it to be just a little bit thicker on the sides. So like I stated in the beginning, this video is probably going to be very, very short. I didn't have to do too much to achieve the desired look. The only thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my wig grip. I'm not gluing it down because this was a T-part, and it was just a lot easier to just put it on my head, style it, and go. So I went ahead and I cut the lace off. I did use my Fit Me powder to put on the lace that was showing, which was basically just in the part. I did put some on the edges. I'm just going to use my wax stick and kind of lay some of the hairs down, and use my hot comb to help flatten the hairs out as well. And then I'm also going to use my flat iron to straighten out those hideous curls in the back. So since I didn't co-wash this unit, I'm not going to use any extra products. The only thing I'm using right now is my wax stick. So if you guys have any questions on this style or how I achieved this look, comment them down below and I will definitely get back to you. And if you don't have any questions, go ahead and just enjoy this music, and I'll be back at the end of the review.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catchin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. kind dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000, now my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Okay guys, so if you made it this far, this is the final look. I think that it is super cute. It was very easy to style and very beginner friendly. Like I said, on the sides it was a tad bit thin. I would have liked it to be a little bit fuller on the sides like it was in the back, but overall I really liked it. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Also would have preferred the bob to be a little bit more asymmetrical. It was more of a uniformed bob, meaning that the front was not longer than the back, but I would have loved it to be a little bit more asymmetrical. That would have been a lot more fun, and I would have enjoyed that a little bit better. But overall, I would say this unit is worth the money. This is what the back looks like. When I stated I would have loved for it to be a little bit more asymmetrical, it's more of an even cut bob. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. And yeah, like I said, everything will be listed in the description box down below. If there are any questions that you have that I did not answer throughout the video, comment them down below and let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Again, my name is Stacey Renee. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.